Hey YouTube, this is Ben Gessel. You know, I'm really nonplussed by the amount of construction that we have going on around the North Seattle area to southern Snohomish County. This is, I can't tell you how many areas, how many streets there are that are under construction and have been so for quite some time. But it's a lot. It's a lot. I don't know if this is due to postponements for construction things due to COVID-19. I know that the whole road construction thing was one of the first things to get going again, more or less. So I don't know, but I mean, like, I took a road I usually don't take to get to a student's home, and it took me a different direction. I kind of got turned around. I went wrong direction on the road, and like, so of course I left early to get to the student's home, so I'm still fine time wise. But even so, it was just it's complicated. Why does there need to be all this construction? I keep asking myself this question. I don't know all the reasons why different cities have different, things that they're, have their guys working on at a certain point. I don't know. I just don't understand all the reasons. But I would think that, if a road is getting in bad shape, or if you need to expand it, or something having to do with something underneath the road that just needs to be repaired, or I'm sure I'm forgetting a few things, but if there's anything that just doesn't need to be done, I say, especially on a busy road, it doesn't need to be done. And why is it like everything at once? And I feel like it's been going on for a while now. Especially, to be honest, there's a stretch of road on 520 as you're going from Kenmore to Bothell. It's been insane. I think that's road widening. That's been going on for over a year, I think, a long time. In some way, shape, or form, and just sick and tired of it. Anyway, little rant for you guys. If you don't live in the area, I guess you have to deal with similar stuff. I guess you can understand. But if your area doesn't involve a lot of construction, consider yourself lucky. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.